Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 38. I'm going to explain about derivative nouns. Chapter 38, Bab 38. Derivative nouns. Derivative nouns can be formed in several ways, namely by putting number 1, prefix per, 2, suffix an, 3. Affix per an, 4. Affix per an, 5. Affix ke an. Number 1. Prefix per can be attached to some nouns or verbs and few adjectives. Examples for nouns: kedai, shop; pekedai, a shopkeeper; ladang, farm; peladang, a farmer; kebun, garden; pekebun, gardener; nasihat, advice; penasihat, an advisor; rokok, cigarette; perokok, a smoker; berita, news; pemberita, a reporter; derma, donation; penderma, a donor. Verbs: baca, read; pembaca, a reader; tulis, to write; penulis, a writer or author; lari, to run; pelari, a runner; sapu, to sweep; penyapu, a sweeper or a broom; curi, to steal; pencuri, a thief; buka, to open; pembuka, an opener; dengar, to listen; pendengar, a listener; nyanyi, to sing; penyanyi, a singer; bungkus, to wrap; pembungkus, a wrapper; kayuh, to row; pengayuh, an oar, a rower. Adjective: besar, large; pembesar, a high-ranking person; an enlarger; murah, cheap; pemurah, a generous person; manis, sweet; pemanis, a charm to render attraction or a sweetener; tawar, tasteless, bland; penawar, an antidote; panas, hot; pemanas, a heater; sejuk, cold; penyejuk, cooler; aman, peaceful; pengaman, a peacemaker. Here we call air conditioner penyejuk udara. Number 2, suffix an can be attached to the roots of some verbs. Tulis, to write; tulisan, writing; tulisan Jawi, Jawi, writing. Take from Arabic. Tulisan Rumi, Roman, writing. Like here, this is tulisan Rumi. Minum, to drink; minuman, a drink; makan, to eat; makanan, a food; lawat, to visit; lawatan, a visit; nyanyi, to sing; nyanyian, a song; tarik, to pull; tarikan, an attraction; soal, to question; soalan, a question; jemput, to invite; jemputan, an invitation; cium, to kiss; ciuman, a kiss; peluk, to hug; pelukan, a hug; pecah, to break; pecahan, a fraction or fragment. 3. Affix per an can be attached to nouns to the roots of many verbs and adjectives. lawan, opponent. Perlawanan, match. Rumah, house. Perumahan, housing. Layar, sail of a boat. Pelayaran, voyage. Nama, name. Penamaan, nomination. Pasar, market. Pemasaran, marketing. Pergi, to go. Pemergian, departure. Periksa, to examine. Pemeriksaan, examination or check-up. Pilih, to select. Pemilihan, selection. Umum, to announce. Pengumuman, announcement. Bersih, clean. Pembersihan, cleansing. Kotor, dirty. Pengotoran, defilement. Terang, bright. Penerangan, description. Jelas, clear. Penjelasan, clarification or explanation. For, affix per, an can be attached to some nouns and verbs. Sekolah, school. Persekolahan, schooling. Satu, one. Persatuan, association. Air, water. Perairan, waters. Jalan, road. Perjalanan, a journey. Kahwin, marry. Perkahwinan, marriage. Cakap, to speak. Percakapan, talk. Lantik, to appoint. Perlantikan, appointment. 5. Affix ke, an can be attached to some nouns, verbs and adjectives. Menteri, minister. Kementerian, ministry. Wang, money. Kewangan, finance. Satu, one. Kesatuan, union. Manusia, human being. Kemanusiaan, humanity. Naik, to ride. Kenaikan, increment. Jatuh, to fall. Kejatuhan, fall, downfall. Lahir, to be born. Kelahiran, birth. Bakar, to burn. Kebakaran, a fire. Datang, to come. Kedatangan, arrival. Cantik, beautiful. Kecantikan, beauty. Maju, advance. Kemajuan, progress. Berani, brave. Keberanian, bravery. Laju, fast. Kelajuan, speed. Examples. Pemberita-pemberita akhbar membuat laporan mengenai pelancaran minggu belia yang bermula semalam. Newspaper reporters made reports on launching of Youth Week, which began yesterday. Syarikat perumahan itu mendapat keuntungan 10 juta ringgit tahun lepas. The housing company made a profit of 10 million ringgit last year. Kemerdekaan membawa kemajuan dan kemakmuran kepada rakyat. Independence brought progress and prosperity to the people. Kesatuan sekerja bukan untuk melancarkan mogok, tetapi untuk menjaga kepentingan pekerja. A trade union is not for launching strikes, but to look after the interests of workers. Bukan sahaja, tetapi juga. Not only, but also. Words to remember. Nouns. Kemudahan, facilities. Kehendak, desire. Jajahan, colony. Pertandingan, competition. Pencapaian, achievement. pengguna, user, pembangunan, development, tuan rumah, host, menawarkan, offers, berlangsung, to take place, dianjurkan, sponsor or organize, disediakan is prepare, penting, important, istimewa, special, ringkas, simple. Sukan Commonwealth ke-16. Commonwealth Games 16. Sukan Commonwealth adalah satu pertandingan sukan yang dianjurkan istimewa untuk negara-negara yang pernah menjadi tanah jajahan British. Pertandingan from the word tanding, bertanding to compete, menandingi to match. So, Commonwealth Games is a competition or a match of sports that organized special for the countries that used to be a British colony. Sukan Commonwealth ke-16 telah berlangsung di Malaysia dari 10 hingga 20 September 1998. 16 Commonwealth Games has taken place or took place in Malaysia from 10 to 20 September 1998. Malaysia merupakan negara Asia pertama yang menjadi tuan rumah sukan ini. Malaysia was the first Asian country that became a host for the sport. Perkampungan Sukom 98 yang terletak di sebelah Kompleks Sukan Negara di Bukit Jalil telah disediakan untuk para atlet dan pegawai. Sukom 98 Village, which located beside National Sport Complex at Bukit Jalil, has been prepared for the athletes and officers. Kompleks Sukan Negara mempunyai 4,000 tempat duduk serta pelbagai kemudahan lain untuk semua acara gimnastik, sukan hoki lelaki dan renang. National Sports Complex have 4,000 seats and many of various other facilities for all gymnastic event, hockey, sport for male and swim. Selain itu, other than that, kemudahan kenderaan, transportation facilities seperti like perkhidmatan komuter dan transit aliran ringan, commuter service and light railway transit telah disediakan, has provided. Kemudahan lain seperti telekomunikasi, internet, pemancar penyiaran dan komputer juga berfungsi dengan lancar dan mencukupi untuk menjayakan sukan ini. Other facilities such as telecommunication, internet, broadcasting transmitter and computer also function smoothly and sufficient to succeed this sport. Here are some pictures during Commonwealth Games 1998. Kompleks Sukan Negara, and this is 50 ringgit notes specially made on that year, but now not available anymore. TMNet. TMNet merupakan satu rangkaian penyedia perkhidmatan internet oleh Telekom Malaysia. Rangkaian perhubungan internet ini menawarkan kemudahan yang lebih inovatif bagi pengguna internet serta liputan luas ke seluruh negara pada harga yang berpatutan dan pakej yang ringkas. Ia juga menghubungkan anda ke kawasan luar bandar dan juga ke sekolah-sekolah. TMNet sentiasa berusaha untuk memajukan perkhidmatannya bagi memenuhi kehendak pengguna dan berkembang ke arah pembangunan koridor raya multimedia. Here is English translation. TMNet is the internet access provided by Telekom Malaysia. Now it just become TM. This internet access network offers internet users better facilities and nationwide coverage at a competitive price and in a simpler package. It provides access to the rural areas and schools as well. TMNet is constantly upgrading itself to further meet the demands of users and also in the development of Multimedia Super Corridor (MSC). Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.